Hello everyone, welcome back to Sharius channel. Today, I would like to share the process of downgrading from Windows 11 to Windows 10 by cloning the C drive. Go to the download page of CloneGo in browser. Download and install the iSunshare CloneGo on your computer. Then launch the software. Click Make Boot Disk in the top right corner. Click OK to confirm. Plug the USB flash drive into your computer. Click Refresh and select your USB device. Then click Make. Note, the pen drive will be formatted when making PE. Click Yes to confirm. Wait for a while. Click OK to finish. Restart and select USB drive as boot device. CloneGo will open automatically. Select Backup in the left panel, then C drive in the right. Click Choose to select a location for storing ICG backup file. Click Start, then Yes. When the backup is finished, tap OK. Next, move to steps to restore your system. Insert your USB. Restart your computer. Set USB as boot device again, then CloneGo will automatically pop up. Select Restore and choose C drive. Click Choose to select the ICG backup file and click Open. Click Start and tap Yes when prompted. Wait until it restores the backup successfully and click OK. Close it and it will reboot automatically. Congratulations, you're now back to Windows 10. That's all. See you next time.